Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now my peeps, we're gonna make some healthy cherry pineapple juice. This pineapple, it was in the freezer, so I took it out and I'm gonna use some cherries there, some ginger and some lemon. That's it. And some water. Alright, so we're gonna put everything here. We're gonna put the pineapple. You can use half or one pineapple. It depends on the amount you're making, okay? And I'm gonna put some cherry. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna put about half cup. Ooh. Oh dear. It was in the freezer as well. Some ginger. I'm gonna put some lemon juice. I'm not gonna put a lot of water because I'm not gonna use any honey today, so about two and a half cups. And we're gonna blend this away. Ooh, oopsie. All right, and we're gonna blend away. And we're gonna strain this. Here it goes, guys. Just grab a spoon and you want to do it like that. If you want, you don't really have to strain it, but I'm gonna strain it. If you have a powerful blender, you can just blend up everything. So continue to do it like this. All right, and that's it. All right, guys, this is it. I want to put some ice. I'm going to put those in the fridge. I'm just going to pour some here. All right, and I'm going to pour in these first. And I'm going to pour the rest in my glass. Something like so. Yes. All right, guys, I have a piece of lemon with my umbrella. I will leave a link for that. I got it on Amazon. Let's put it right there. And that's it, my peeps. This is my cherry pineapple juice. Really refreshing, super healthy. This is gonna clean and build your immune system. Good for weight loss, detox. Yes, guys, a refreshing and healthy juice for you. All right, my peeps, love upon me and I love upon you. Lots of vitamins. Super refreshing. All right, my peeps, you have a good day. Bye, guys.